Hey guys, my name's Adam and I recently got back from a trip to America. I was over there for 7 days in Orlando, Florida with the team Eternity from Edge Flight All-Stars. We're a cheerleading team based here in Perth, Western Australia, and we're over there competing at the Summit competition at the ESPN Centre in Disney World. I thought I'd sort of film the trip. As a bit of a memory and keepsake. And yeah, I thought I'd just start this video with a bit of background as to the videos. I think we'll probably get 3 or 4 videos out of it. And yeah, just sort of my trip to America. We're in Sydney, just landed about an hour ago. Managed to find some coffee, just waiting for a large surf flat white. Cleared customs and already in the international departure. Plan today is to fly from Sydney to Dallas and then Dallas to Orlando. So we'll be there by 6:30 Orlando time tonight. Just landed in Dallas, got another connect flight to Orlando, got to pick up my bags, clear customs here I believe, and yeah, also got a sore throat, feeling like I haven't had much sleep, and yeah, looking forward to the fact I've only got another 2-hour flight. Alright, no further from here, we'll see you later. Waiting for my Uber. Fairly tired, heading straight to the villas. Hopefully Ryan's put my name down on one of the villas so I can actually get into the room. How's it going?
You got your hands full there.
Yeah. Adam. How you doing, Adam?
Nice to meet you.
We made it. Is it bad that Wes and I were so concerned about coffee in America and the quality of coffee that we brought our own? Yes. I'll give you a quick villa tour in a second, but a couple of things to do first. There's also a couple of things which are quite important to do when you're an athlete, when you travel, and one's stay hydrated. So coming off the plane, we have some Hydrolyte tablets. Salty. The other thing you want to do is get yourself one of these, and then you can massage out, oh yeah, all those spots that are get all tight sitting on the plane. Quick room tour of room 1983. Let's try to keep this for 60 seconds or less. We've got a little laundry next to the front door. Bedroom number 1. I believe that's my bed. Oh, Wes told me it's my bed, so, well, I think he did. Otherwise, he's going to have a surprise when he jumps into bed tonight. Ooh, nice little view of the pool. And then come into, well, a semi-ensuite bathroom. Oh. Classic Wesley. Oh. Apparently they don't have soft closed toilet lids like what I'm used to. Bathroom. Wes has already been curling his hair. Didn't expect anything less. Into the kitchen. So this is to the left as when you come in. So we have funny power sockets, dishwasher, oven, stovetop, and microwave, fridge. I think I'm gonna have to go shopping. Then we have a dining room. Look at the size of that mirror. I look quite alright considering how tight I am. What a sexy camera as well. Yeah, look at that. Anyway, little sitting area. We then go out to the pool. I cannot believe how long it took me to figure out how to open that door initially. Let's actually go out there. Wow. So we've got the pool. There's some squirrels running around out here before. I thought I'd recorded them, but turns out oh, there one is. We don't get those in Perth, except at the Perth Zoo, which I don't think they're supposed to be there. Got these little, what's these little pond things around here? Apparently they're to manage all the water. That, because it rains so much here. We then have another bedroom, which I think is Ricky and Lee's bedroom, and yeah, that's the place. Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Jade made the observation. It's very American.
It is. Seeing that we're in America,
Yeah.
I'm not surprised it's American.
Hugely American.
So, we're off to Walmart. I've never been to Walmart before. Wes,
Quarter past 9, by the way. 24-hour Walmart.
24-hour Walmart. Wes reckons that it stocks everything from
Womb to tomb.
Yep.
Everything
So,
you need.
Apparently it's about a 45-minute walk or a 20-minute run. So, yeah.
See how we go.
Yeah, we're catching an Uber.
Look at the size of those very colossal crunch
With marshmallows.
with marshmallows. Wow.
Brownie crunch for those playing.
Some of the weird stuff that we found at Walmart. Honey chicken nuggets with Winnie the Pooh in there. So, Mr. Salisbury, Walmart. Walmart. How do you rank it?
It's definitely quantity over quality. In
Quantity
some
over quality, but that being said, Ryan told me, or Sam told me, that I probably would struggle to get food here.
They did have a
And-
large organic section.
And if you have a look through, I've got organic apples, blueberries, got beans, peanut butter, honey, carrots, soy milk. I mean, we pretty much hit the nail on the head, I think.
I think we smashed it.
40 something dollars US, I think 46 US. So, yeah,
Love.
I can't complain for food for a week.